All right, it is time to get you a check of the forecast here this morning. If you haven't stepped outside yet, you're going to notice it feels quite a bit cooler. We're about 8 degrees cooler in Fort Myers than this time yesterday, and the humidity's down a touch as well. So that's helping out. But this afternoon, we climb right back up in the upper 80s, near 90. Now, this morning on the radar, things are fairly quiet here in town. As we put this into motion over the past hour, you can see a few showers popping up over on the east coast along a stationary front. As the winds will kick in out of the east-northeast later on today, we will see about a 20 to 30% chance of an isolated shower here once the sea breeze front kicks in. As we look at those temperatures, anywhere north of the Caloosahatchee River, it's pretty much in the upper 60s. As you head to the south, on the other side of that stationary front, we're still in the low to mid 70s, with Everglades City and Ochapi falling down to 73 in the past hour. Now, as far as the temperature difference, it's about an 8-degree change at Cape Coral, 9 officially in Fort Myers, and other locations here a degree or two cooler as well. Now, the winds are kicking up a little bit from Port Charlotte to Punta Gorda, 10 to 15 miles per hour, as they're on the north side of this little weak frontal boundary. And with that east-northeast wind today, colliding with the weak sea breeze, that's why we've got at least an isolated chance of a shower or two. One of the biggest differences this morning, the dew point values. Yesterday, these were around 77, 78 degrees, so a 10-degree difference. You can feel that as you step outside. Now, with cloudy skies here early and cooler temperatures, we're going to warm up to 89. That's 4 degrees above our average high of 85. At sunset time this evening at 7:53 as you're kind of planning your day. So here's what it looks like across the state. That old frontal boundary finally got that kick to the south, and now it's going to drape itself across South Florida and really kind of dissipate here over the next 24 hours. So this morning, the winds east-northeast. So watch what happens here this afternoon with that sea breeze. That's what gives us a chance, at least a 20 to 30% chance, mainly in the inland communities or east here of I-75 before those showers move out in the Everglades. And then Saturday, it'll be sunny and dry as we'll see those temperatures climb into the low 90s. So for this afternoon, the sun breaks through the clouds. We do see an isolated chance of a shower or two. And then overnight, winds will be light and variable along that old stationary front. And as we look ahead towards the weekend, dry Saturday and Sunday, a little breezy at times here to start the weekend. And then looking ahead towards the early parts of next week, we do have about a 50% chance of some showers and thunderstorms in the next front on Monday, and then sunny and hot by the middle parts of the week.